You just can't go wrong with metallic purple. And before yesterday, this was my only pair. Can't wait to show you the new edition.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Let's kick things off with a little bit of sneaker magic. And here we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Don't worry, I won't quit my day job. What's up? It's your boy, J-Soul. Thank you for joining me as I'm here to talk to you about the metallic purple Jordan 1. You probably are familiar with my only Instagram account, _JSOLE_. And since you have joined me, make sure that you're part of the Soul family by tapping that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for helping me reach 2,000 subs. I absolutely appreciate all of your support. Thank you for the regulars, all those who've been part of the Soul family, for supporting me and helping me reach this milestone. Of course, this is going to come with a prize. So make sure to stay tuned to the very end to find out how you can win a free gift card as part of my 2,000 sub celebration. Now let's talk about the metallic purple Jordan 1. This beautiful sneaker comes in a white and metallic purple box. Here you can see that it's in women's sizing, but it's also offered in little kids and toddler sizing, with a max size of women's 12, men's 10.5. Here are some key details. It'll drop on Thursday, June 3rd in the US on Sneakers, JD Sports, Finish Line, the Foot Locker family of stores, YCMC, DTLR, etc., etc. The colorway is white and court purple like the 1985 OG. MSRP $170. It comes with white laces in the shoe and a spare set of purple laces. Inspired by the 1985 metallic purple Jordan 1, this sneaker barely disappoints. I'll explain the barely later on. It's great materials such as soft leather and even a luxurious satin sock liner, which differs from the standard cloth sock liner. Pros: the leather is soft. It feels high grade. It's a dope box. The colorway is OG. That's a winning formula. Cons: here's where it disappoints. Sizing doesn't accommodate Bigfoot gang. So if your size is larger than a women's 12 or 10.5 men's, you're SOL. J-Soul is SOL. I'll be living vicariously through you, V-Soul, and all of you with common sneaker sizes. So those are my thoughts on the metallic purple Jordan 1. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are. Make sure to comment below how you feel about this sneaker, and if you feel it's a cop, pass, drop, or even a flip. Whatever's on your mind, let me know. I've got to give a shout out to my boy, Justin, aka Sneaker Hoarder J. He is the artist behind this amazing shirt that I'm wearing today. Thank you for staying tuned to the very end. We're at the very end right now. So what I want to do is to reward my subscribers by giving you guys a free gift card for helping me reach 2,000 subs. I want you to comment your favorite J-Soul YouTube video. Comment that down below and you'll be entered into this contest. This video needs to reach 100 likes. Once it reaches 100 likes, I will take the comment. That's you telling me whatever your favorite J-Soul YouTube video is below in the comments, and I will take your information and enter it into a randomizer. and randomly pull a name from the randomizer, and that person will be the recipient of a Nike gift card. Nike, Adidas, whatever you want. You can decide that once you win. And of course, I will announce the winner on this YouTube channel in an upcoming video. Now, how's that sound? Sounds pretty dope to me. I like free stuff. I know you like free stuff, so let's get it. So make sure to like and share this video to help this video reach 100 likes as soon as possible. One final thing. I haven't forgotten about y'all that have entered the 1,000 sub contest. That video is at like 65 likes the last time I checked. Make sure you share that video. Let's get it to at least 100. We're only 35 away. Come on, y'all. Let's do it. It's free money. And before I slide on out of here, please make sure that you're subscribing to V Soul's YouTube channel. She's got dope content, it's female focused, and if you're a lady sneakerhead, a female sneakerhead, a woman sneakerhead, you'll definitely appreciate what she has to offer. So make sure you visit her page, tap that subscribe button, just tap it, just like that. Tap that button, ring the notification bell too. I mean, that don't hurt. You know, you already got there to hit that subscribe button. Just tap that notification bell as well. And that's all, y'all. That's all. Make sure that you're putting positive energy out there, and that positive energy is going to return back to you. Same thing's true if you put negative energy out there. Don't even do it. So thank you for joining me today. You are very appreciated, and I'll see you the very next time. Peace and love.